Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 56 Erebus Circuit in Morphett Vale. I've got a fantastic courtyard home, beautiful sized rooms, great sized kitchen, awesome rear yard with a fantastic pitch roof pergola. It's set up perfectly for first home buyers, investors or downsizers. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. It's such a fantastic floor plan and the way it's been kept is absolutely perfect. It's immaculate from front to rear. I love the yard. I love this open plan living space and it's just the perfect setup for young first home buyers or downsizers alike. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. Can't wait to see it and open soon.